Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week of 26th April to 2nd May. This is a general reading and might not resonate with each one of you. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't so that we can meet every week and you don't miss any video of mine. So let's see what your week has for you. All right. So Aries, this week looks very good. This is bottom of the deck that you don't see. Well, you have really worked hard in the past to achieve what you will be achieving or what you have achieved already. Time is fluid in tarot reading, so I think either you have already started getting communications around what you wished for, what you really wanted, and there is a certain wish fulfillment. There's a certain sense of contentment this week that you will see. This it could be love, it could be work wise, but there is you've certainly achieved this place of contentment is what I see. Let's see what the major arcana card has for you. Devil. So yes, devil indicates that yes, you are passionate about a certain thing, but don't let it be toxic. Don't let it take the toxic route. Don't let it spoil the place where you are right now, which is a sense of fairness, contentment, balance, which the tarot is asking you to maintain, which you have already achieved, right? So let's see what are the love messages for you. What are the love messages? Yes, so love definitely is there. But you know what the messages are? Do something which you have, do something new, something different. Things are not as they appear. Time for a love fest. So what I gauge from it is from the devil card, things are not as they appear. So something which really attracts you could be toxic too. So you in order to find what you really need, you need to do something different this time. Yes, things are coming your way, but to actually make them stay or to get it or to get them, you really need to do something different, which you haven't. Try a different route. Try something which you haven't done in the past. And yes, this is the time for love. It actually says that this is the time when you actually will enjoy relationships around you. Let me get one more message. Things have been looking good for you in the past and they will continue to look good. I surrender to the power greater than me. So which means that I think what you haven't done, I think the need to control things, the need to have things your way has been your way of working. But I think doing something, the universe is asking you to surrender to your intuition, surrender to the higher power, surrender to things as they are, so that give universe a chance to actually give you what you really want or what you actually deserve. So this is the only way, surrender, and universe will really give you more than what you have actually expected. Let's see how you can handle this week. How can Aries handle this week? Equal. So yes, things are not they are and equal. So which means that I would give you the message that no two things are equal, no two people are equal, no two situations are equal. So don't if there has been something bad in the past, don't treat everything else with that kind of experience, because everything is different. No two things are equal. So don't see them, don't expect always bad to happen or always as it happened in the past. Things really change, things really evolve. So again, if you surrender, you will see the changes coming to you. So just surrender, and I think leave everything to the universe, because it is working in your favor. It is your time. It is your time to enjoy relationships, to enjoy the goodness of relationships in all. This is the week, and I will soon be posting the monthly horoscope next week or I'll start doing if I get time this week. But this is all I have for you. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.